Okay, it's time to change these gaskets. So should be pretty easy. One would think, one would hope. Not easy. Wrong. There we go. Since we don't care, just rip it out. There we go. Out with the old. We got our new gaskets here. God, I hope are they bi-directional? I hope so. Okay, one last. Okay. I pulled on it something fierce. All right, there it is. Just have to stretch it out. I guess that's one way to do it. Okay. There's one ready to go. Okay, now we're going to stretch this one. Maybe not so far. Okay. Hopefully we didn't stretch it. I didn't stretch this one nearly as hard. And there we go. Let's run some oil on it. Okay. And now, let's place these. I wonder if it's easier to do. Oh, it's still here. Let's see what happens if I pop these guys in. There we go. Woohoo! Slide that guy into place. All right.
one debt to society later.
And after much work, we got the headers on here. The only thing I'll point out is I lost one of the bolts, so I had to replace it with this store-bought bolt, nice and shiny. Same on the other side, we got these all done. Okay, so now I'm going to install the power steering pulley. Unfortunately, the original pulley here looks good, but I used a 3-arm puller to pull it, and big old dent everywhere, the 3-arm. Yeah, that's not going to work. So, that's what we call a costly mistake. So here, got a brand spanking new one that we're going to put on there. And the truth about how I finally got that off was I got the correct pulley puller kit here, so we will do it the right way this time. First step, I lubed up the threads here with some assembly lube. We can screw that guy in there. I'm just going to go all the way. And then this guy can go right there. And oh, looks like the bigger one's an 18mm and the smaller one is a 14mm. Okay, that's it. Good stop. The question is, how am I sure to get this thing off? First, I probably need to loosen it. Wonderful. Wonderful. I love it. So you can see we got the water pump back on, and very excited to have that sucker back in place, so everything can kind of go back in now. So let's see if we can't figure out how to route this. I didn't save the routing diagram. Okay, next time we'll just keep our routing diagram handy so I don't have to play these games. That should be pretty good. There we go. Okay. Okay, well that's it for today, folks. This is part of a multi-part series, so please click on the link in the description to take you to the next video in this series. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you got something out of this, please remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That's how we make more videos. Until next time, this is Dad Who Does.